Hello children, welcome back. Now we will go through the question answers. There are these key question answers, but there are more questions along with the answers, the short questions, the extract. All this has been meticulously planned by Max Marks. And the best thing is they are going to reach in your hands. I mean, they are in your hands at a very early stage. So you have time enough to prepare. Now, talking about the extract based question here, now I'm reading out the extract to you, and you must read the extract in your question paper. Children, don't read the extract and directly start attempting the questions, whereas most of your answers are in the extract only. The crofter was in a hurry to milk his cow, and the other man probably thought he would not stay in bed when the head of the house had gotten up. They left the cottage at the same time. The crofter locked the door and put the key in his pocket. The man with the rat traps said goodbye and thank you, and thereupon each went his own way. But half an hour later, the rat trap peddler stood again before the door. He did not try to get in. However, he only went up to the window, smashed a pane, stuck in his hand, and got hold of the pouch with the 30 kroner. He took the money and thrust it into his pocket. Then he hung the leather pouch very carefully back in its place and went away. Now, this is your extract. Now, the question, write a word closely associated with cottage. Now, it was the crofter's house. It cannot be a mansion. It cannot be a villa. It cannot be a flat. So, it has to be hut. Right? Next we move on to is give one word for a person who farms a croft. Now, even if you don't know the meaning, there are certain techniques to find out. Now, they're saying that give one word for a person who farms a croft. Let's say you don't know. But then, don't you think we could easily pick it up from here, the answer? The person who crofts has to be a crofter. Is it clear? Next. Next we move on to is the peddler got hold of the pouch with the how many? 40, 10, 30, 50. 30. Very clearly it is mentioned in your extract. So only if you've read your chapters well, you've read your extracts, you cannot go wrong. Then the next one. The thing that is used to catch the rats is called, again, easy to identify. What could it be? It has to be rat trap. Next. The Iron Master. Now here we have these stand-alone MCQs. Now these stand-alone MCQs, there are ample of stand-alone MCQs in your Max Marks books. But here we are practicing a few with you. The Iron Master and his daughter learnt that the peddler was a thief. Where? At the church. Then we have these short answer type questions. They're also called open-ended questions. Now, why was the crofter so talkative and friendly with the peddler? The answer. The crofter was the peddler because he used to live alone in his cottage, and he became very happy finding someone as a guest to remove his loneliness. Now here we have is the crofter was, I'm just adding it out here, was happy to welcome the peddler. He was happy to welcome the peddler because he himself was lonely, without wife or child. So that is why he was happy to have a guest to remove his loneliness. Now the long answer type questions. The story of Rat Trap focuses on human loneliness and the need to bond with others. Explain. So this has to be elaborately explained to you. And now these are the key points. Peddler had been lonely in his predicament. Edler's kindness and hospitality changed him. Crofter craved for company too. Even the iron master and his daughter suffer from loneliness. All these people, all these characters in the story are somewhere suffering from loneliness. The story Rat Trap focuses on human loneliness and the need to bond with others. Now I'm just reading it out. The theme of human loneliness and the need to have someone to share one's joys and sorrow run throughout the story. To begin with, the reader's attention is drawn to the peddler who is lonely. He's got no wife, no child. And in his loneliness, he makes rat traps and is left to his own meditation. Now, when he knocks at the cottage, the crofter welcomes him and entertains him. Why? Because he also is a lonely person. It is because the crofter is lonely. He wants someone to talk to, someone with whom he could share his loneliness. He finds Peddler a good companion and tells him a lot about himself and his cow. Though the peddler is a complete stranger to him, then we find that the iron master and his daughter are also lonely. They live in a big house and have nobody else for their company. So they insist that the peddler spend Christmas with them. Now with this, we conclude your lesson, The Rat Trap, from the book Flamingo. Now, just to conclude, and just one tip I'd like to share with you is that it's very important that you must improve your spoken English. Everybody wants to improve. So I'll just give you one little tip, and that is practice. Have a practicing buddy with you. Could be your friend, could be your cousin, your sister, brother, anyone. Every day, take up a topic, any topic of your choice, and spend 5 minutes. Talk, discuss, and then wherever you go wrong, your teachers are there, and if anywhere you require to improve your pronunciation, you can always check up on the Google, right? Okay, take care, stay happy.